If you want to download and add a font to Figma Web, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step, from downloading the font file to installing it on your computer to getting Figma Web ready so your new font actually appears in the font list. This is super useful if you want your designs to look more custom, more professional, or just match a brand style better. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick design tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to get your font file from a trusted website. You'll usually download it as either a TTF file or an OTF file. If the font comes in a zip folder, go ahead and extract it first so you can access the actual font files inside. It's always a good idea to make sure the source is reliable before installing anything on your computer. Now let's install the font on your device. If you're using a Mac, double-click the font file and the font book window will open. From there, just click Install and the font will be added to your system. If you're on Windows, right-click the font file and choose Install. In some cases, you can also drag the font directly into your fonts folder. Once that's done, the font is installed on your computer, but that alone is not enough for Figma Web yet. Next, you need to set up the Figma Font Helper. This is the part that allows Figma Web to detect the fonts installed on your computer. Open the Figma Downloads page and look for the font installer or helper under the Other Installers section. Download the version for Windows or Mac OS, depending on your system. After the download finishes, open the file and follow the setup instructions on your computer. This step is very important because without the helper, Figma Web may not recognize your local fonts. Once the helper is installed, go back to your browser and fully refresh the page where Figma Web is open. In some cases, you may need to close and reopen the browser completely, especially if the font still doesn't appear right away. A full reload helps Figma reconnect to the font helper and detect the fonts that are now installed on your system. Now open your Figma project and click on a text box that you want to edit. On the right side panel, go to the text settings and click the font drop-down menu. Here, you should see your newly installed font listed. If you don't see it immediately, look for the filter option and choose Installed by You. That will show local fonts installed on your machine, including the one you just added. Select your new font, and that's it. Your text should instantly switch to the font you installed. From here, you can adjust the size, weight, spacing, and other text settings just like any other font in Figma. If the font still doesn't show up, double check that it was installed correctly, make sure the Helper app is running, and refresh Figma again. So to quickly recap, download the font, install it on your computer, install the Figma Font Helper, refresh Figma Web, and then choose the font from the Installed by You section inside the text drop-down. Once you do those steps, adding custom fonts to Figma Web becomes really easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.